Hello, we're super excited about your interest in Google advertising and how it can help your business grow. If you follow along with this email sequence, you'll be able to see different aspects of how Google Ads work. And I'll just give you a quick overview of what those entail. First, we'll be going over search campaigns. Now, this is the most popular and what most people know what Google Ads are. When somebody searches a service or a particular product, those first listings that come up are usually ads. And so that's where we show up competing against, of course, other people in the industries. But what's great about search campaigns is people are coming to Google looking for your services. And so we aren't reaching out to them on social media or other aspects. They're actually coming looking for you, which makes the Google search platform very high intent and a very powerful place to be. Next, we'll be going over display ads. Display ads are a great way to build awareness about your company and about your products and services. It's a great way to show up on other websites, not just on Google, but on various places where people go if they're reading blogs or if they're just going to other websites. Google has a huge network where we're able to share those ads to keep your business and your products top of mind for those who have visited your site before or just are interested in your particular product or service. Next, we'll be going over YouTube or video ads. Of course, YouTube is a huge platform as well, and Google had acquired this company. So it allows us to utilize that platform as a video piece that kind of gives us a name and a face to the name, so to speak, for your business and can really tell a story of who you are, maybe particular videos about your product and how to use them. It's an awesome platform to reach a lot of people and to get eyes on your product or your services. And then lastly, we'd be touching base on shopping ads. This, of course, is more geared towards e-commerce business, but it's a wonderful place to be able to share those products when people are searching for a particular thing that they're looking for, and that can range from anything from jewelry to clothing to tools, anything like that. So it's a powerful way, and we utilize Google to promote those shopping ads. And it gives a way for people to go to your site and look at those products there. So those are the different possibilities that we'll be going over, different prospects and different aspects to Google Ads that we'll be going over in this sequence. So feel free to sign up or reach out if you have any questions, but definitely follow along with this sequence. If you are interested in Google Ads, we'd be happy to help you in any way that we can along the way. Thank you.